So the digital whiteboard bubble burst and Google Jamboard decided to jump ship in 2024. Single tier. But fear not, my edge friends, there's a new player on the block. Well, they're not new, but maybe new to you. In case you're new here, I'm Kelly, stumbling around this world of edtech so you don't have to, so follow for tips and tricks. Now let me alleviate that Jamboard anxiety by showing you what Cami can do for you. Jamboard and Cami made it super easy to take all your Jamboard goodness and transfer them over to Cami. How easy is it? Glad you asked. A literal click of a button. So navigate to your Jamboard, then click on the Open with Cami button up at the top, click Convert, and bam, you're back in biz, taking up the interactivity a notch. Reasons I prefer Cami to Jamboard. Number one, unlike the anonymity gala on Jamboard, Cami requires your kiddos to own up to their own masterpieces. No more, who drew this mysteries. Just hover over an annotation to see whose it is. Beautiful. Number two, in Cami, comments are loyal. They stick to their creators like glue and won't shift around when others get touchy-feely on the board, aka students can't mess with other students' notes. But wait, there's more. Number three, beyond text, Cami lets your students express their inner Mozarts with audio. They can insert audio clips here. Their inner Spielbergs with other media tools like YouTube videos. And their inner Picassos with a plethora of drawing tools. So don't let the fall of Jamboard bring you down. You got options. Transition over to Cami and let that creativity jam continue, just with a new tune. Have fun.